Koch Ag and Energy Solutions is a global provider for value-added solutions within the turf and ornamental, fertilizer, chemicals, and energy businesses. There's a lot of information, data that is either on assets or missing from some of those. Understanding asset health is critical for us within our industry. Our operational problem is to really increase overall reliability, decreasing the down days that we have that are unplanned. So the Amazon Monitron system allows us to detect anomalies that give us better insights into predictive maintenance, as well as some of the more critical assets we've leveraged Lookout for equipment to provide better insights to the overall asset health. They don't take a lot of technical IT support, as well as operation technology support. Very simple and easy to apply within our industry. So the AWS tools have allowed us to prevent downtime, which allows us to provide the products to the customers that need it when they need it in a critical seasonal agricultural business.